Hey guys, welcome back. Travis here, Stevens Truck Power. Today we're going to do a test on the cooling system to tell if your head gasket's leaking. And someone's going to say, well, it could be something else, and you're right. If you got EGR, it could be an EGR cooler, but basically what we're testing for is combustion gas in your coolant. So if you're suspecting that you're getting pressure in your radiator, this is a good test to be able to tell if it's actually combustion gas or something else, because an air compressor can also put pressure in your radiator. And so we're going to use this tool right here. You can buy this at your auto parts, and you fill it with fluid to this line, and then it sniffs the gases in the coolant and it changes colors depending on if it's combustion gas or not. And at least that gives you a direction to go. It doesn't fix the problem, doesn't tell you everything, but at least you know you got combustion gas or you don't. So what you do is you pour this stuff in here. You make sure you get the right stuff. This is for diesel engines. And the reason I'm up on a pedestal here is because I'm on a trash truck cab over and the reservoir's up high. So I'm not that tall, so that's what we're doing. But anyway, you put it back together like so, and this will go right inside your fill port right there for your coolant. And you just kind of put some pressure on it, hold it in there, and it'll start sniffing the gas. This one starts to bubble immediately because it's getting a lot in there, but sometimes they won't bubble at all. Sometimes you'll see some bubbles, but what you're looking for is some bubbles, but you're looking mainly to see that change colors. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so lots of bubbles, way more than you should have. Look at that, immediately changing colors, orange, now brown. Yeah, that's combustion gas. We got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. There you go. That used to be purple, red, pink color. Now it's an ugly brown because we've mixed combustion gas in there. So this particular truck is EGR, so it could be a couple things. We could have a head gasket leaking, letting compression into the cooling system that way. Also, if you get a hole in your EGR, you can get it in there that way also. So we need to do some investigating here to decide if it's EGR or head gasket. But that's where we're at. So we're going to determine that, give the customer the bad news, and see which direction he wants to go. Hopefully we do find it that it's an EGR cooler. It's a lot easier deal than doing a head gasket. I do know the history of the truck though, and it did get pretty hot a couple weeks back. So we're a little concerned that maybe it got a head gasket. So yeah, unfortunate, but you can get this kit if you're looking for something probably at your local auto parts, or if you're looking for us to help you do this, just give us a call, 435-743-5550. Let us help you out.